proper throws them off.
He's having a little scratch.
No, not now, he wasn't.
Ooh, he's a big squirrel, that one. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, you look at his face though, he's been hurt.
Oh no, that's probably why he's doing it.
It's from Minecraft.
Oh, right.
Oh.
These birds have fought everybody off.
It's like acrobatic squirrel.
Yeah.
Oh, look at their feet. They're like little bees.
Great action. How do you feel about that fail?
Terrible.
Sam has got some mad skills. Ah! It's coming right at me. Action. I mean, interview.
I mean, they show some real promise.
Yeah.
But, you know, they're a bit rough around the edges, especially this young man. He's quite selfish with the ball. Hit it against the wall. There we go. And again.
Oh no. Sorry. Right, one of you, go and get it.
Sam, you don't hit it this way, hit it that way.
Some key lessons being doled out by Eloise there. Right, you ready, go?
Yeah. Gosh! Oh no! Keeps arguing.
Hello, run, Eloise.
Bless you.
I'm trying to play properly.
Eloise, both just play and he'll pick it up as he goes.
She's an expert.
Trial and error, if you will.
Sam! Do! Spencer's my favourite squash player of all time. That was good. Oh dear, oh dear. Sibling fights.
What, the squat?
Sam's a one-man band. Spencer.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Why not?
I know. Sam, give Spencer a go.
Let Spencer have a go.
Oh dear.
I'm so ready.
I know. Yeah! Woo!
Spencer didn't even do. I'm just going to do my own thing.
Is that a squash ball?
No.
No, racquetball.
I was going to say that's why I'm finding it a bit
Easier.
easy because I remember
Yeah.
and that just got quite hard.
Yeah.
I got that. You see Sam then, he turned around to see whether he'd seen him throw that ball at Eloise's face.
30, and we've got pottery at 45, so we've got an hour.
Oh god, oh god. I feel like maybe someone should intervene to give everyone a fair go.
Hey?
Go on then.
I just feel bad. I feel like Spencer's not getting much of a
I
look
think-
in here.
Get Sam to have a
I
rest.
think we need a grown-up. A grown-up.
Come on,
This video is long enough.
Oh yeah.
To do all the little what?
Speckly bits.
Yeah.
Just used a paintbrush and flick it.
What? Sam's llama.
Hi.
I might do some more of them.
But the llama's doing Fortnite anyways. Eloise is gonna raining very much.
Very cool. Alex and Spencer were here, but they finished and left.
They got sick and tired of us.
Very artistic.
They made a mess. They left.
Julia's on her like third outfit of the day. Yeah. Wow.
Oh, so many knots.
This is what we have to deal with in windy weather.
So many knots.
What is this game?
It's football pool.
Football pool?
Yeah, so basically a giant pool table.
A giant pool table that you play with your feet. Do you know how to play pool, Sam? Your shoelace is untied. You're gonna fall over. Quick, Spencer, push him over now.
Push me over, look. Yeah.
Oh, careful. Alright, that's enough though. Don't get too rough.
Bye-bye.
Alright, bye.
Right, ready? Hands up, ready to go?
Yeah. That's good, Spence. Very good. That was very good. Sam, are you tired? What's going on?
Well, I don't like badminton. All the people have asked to play.
Oh my gosh, you mean nobody wants to play football pool with you? That's really sad. I'll play with you.
What are you playing?
No, I'll finish that now. I'll play. Let's play together. Okay, the triangle. Ooh, careful, is it heavy?
What shark do that? But the thing that makes the most loud noise ever is when it falls over.
Don't make it fall over.
Like so.
That's silly. Alright, so now we lift it.
Not lift it.
You can't lift it.
So heavy. Wait, what if we just
Teamwork.
topsy-turvy?
Right,
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I agree. Whoa.
Whoa! The name of the game is to get all of these balls.
But I feel like there should be the same number of each colour ball and there isn't.
Does it really matter?
Well, that's how you play pool.
Is it?
Yeah. It doesn't matter though. Okay.
Can I stop?
Yeah, go on then. go, 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 go. Nice.
Oh no, what was that?
Is it my go now? Get out of that hole. Right, okay. You okay? You alright?
I like that.
Did that hurt? It looked painful. Right, okay. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on.
Oh.
So close.
Guess who's going for it?
Not you, that's my ball. No! Good job. Right. You're on 3.
Yeah.
I'm on 2. This is the last ball.
Want me to record you do your job?
No, it's alright.
So, we've got this ball to get in this score.
Well, one went in there. So it can go in any, really, can't
So,
it?
go in either. But, if it doesn't,
I lost. Your turn.
I'll figure it out. Wait.
Someone. Well done. Good job.
Well, we've got some professionals over here. Maybe not professionals. Hello. Okay. Bye.
Have you ever sat on an invisible chair before?
Invisible chair. Nothing underneath.
Oh, I'll just
Hey,
get up now.
squizzes! Hi, we're playing badminton. Which is very crazy. Go onto your invisible chair. Let's
Oh, right,
see you.
okay then. Oh, this is comfy, nice, comfortable seat here.
This woman is odd. I may leave. Go! Oh, I forgot to tell you, Squizzers. We're back in Centre Park.
Do you like my bike helmet?
Honestly, that is mine. She likes helmets. We got everyone over there. Look at Spencer. Whoa, whoa. Let's head over here. Oh. She's not on an invisible chair today. Well, no invisible chair for her, but there is an invisible chair for me.
Oh wow, you can get your feet flat on the ground when you do that. You can't see, but I can. He's squatting with his feet flat on the ground.
Maybe.
Like he's doing a poo.
Ew. See if you can do it.
I can't.
Let's see you fall over. Everyone will laugh at you. She can do it. That's exactly what I was doing. Namaste, Betsy. Spencer's just going crazy, and this person's doing Namaste.
Sam, can you touch your toes like this?
Touch my toe like what?
When you sat like this, can you touch your toes?
Let's have a look if we can then. So this is Santa. Almost Santa. Oh!
Can you not?
I can do it.
Oh, you have to bend your legs.
And this is what I was doing earlier in the garden
Oh, Spencer can do it.
I did it. I'm dead. I can just the
You can! Spencer can do it. You've got less flexibility than Spencer. It's hard, isn't it?
Oh my god. Hurts your leg.
Yeah. Don't stretch it. Don't do it too much. Very good.
Like and subscribe to this video.
I can
You
do it.
Do that.
Like and subscribe if you
And
can
if
touch
you
your
can't
toes.
do that, still like and subscribe. Yeah, just have a good time.
Just have a good
Subscribe,
time.
or else you can be friends, but if you don't subscribe,
He's about to make you fall over.
you're gonna make me fall over her.
La 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 la.
Spend that time. Okay.
Well done.
Hands together.
Great. Thumbnail. Ah. Oh no, we've got a dead body on the floor. What happened? Are you okay? Are you being tortured? Never do that again. Bye. We're going now. See you later. All by yourself. See you. Bye. Literally, place is empty. Bye.
We're going to give you a list of things to go and find.
This is great.
Is it video?
Yeah. But I can take screenshots. Uh-oh.
Yeah, Louise. Family photo. Delete that.
What?
Delete that video.
Why?
Sam dragging me off there and nearly landed on top of it.
Yeah, but you didn't. And that's all that matters. And also Eloise was funny in the background. What? Yeah.
My helmet.
Sam, it's your helmet. Go and get it. It's yours, mate.
Where's my helmet?
Where is his helmet?
Alex just had it. Alex just kicked it across. It was here.
Oh, there it is. It's on there.
Why is it on there? That's so funny.
So get out. Who saved you up? Get out. Come on, get out. Now. Get out. Come on.
Hi. Do you want to wear a helmet?
No.
Think it suits you.
Oh no, we broke it.
Is this yours? Alex, is this yours?
Where's that come from?
That's it. Get out.
They're bad.
Where has that just come from though? There was nobody else here.
No, that's what I mean.
The mystery of the hoodie.
Very, very
There's a hoodie.
It's a ghost hoodie.
So, Spencer,
No, we'll
pay
hand it in.
attention to everything in roll.
Wow, are we keeping it?
Oh no, Eloise, we broke the lift. I'm so
Through his
sorry.
bike helmet, though.
Did you just smash this? No, don't do that. That's really dumb.
The next day.
Like 2 minutes behind if that.
I don't right behind us.
We're taking our bikes.
We would have been
We-
right behind
Oh,
you.
we're only going to Pancake
Me,
House.
me and Eloise are GG seconds.
I just said
Well, you can if you can if you want to.
I'm walking.
Yeah.
Spencer, we've got rid of your bike.
We just sold
I sold it. I sold it on the way around.
Yeah.
How could you do that?
Sold it to the highest bidder.
Pretty sure one of the tasks was sell a red bike.
We sold it to that squirrel.
The highest bidder.
BDI squirrel time. Wait, are you recording?
Why such a name?
Squizzes. BDI squirrel. Hey, squizzes. Horrible old man. That's a cute squirrel. That should be the intro.
Should run through the rules a bit more.
Dude, in the GoPro, when I was just looking at the pond, showing the birds, I was singing the BDI Squirrels intro song.
Oh.
What did the first intro used to be?
Yeah, that one.
What is that?
Like a jazzy song.
You had trouble finding 901.
There's no one.
I understand. The whole time.
Crazy that.
Hello,
you naughty squirrel. You ate the red squirrel. No, he's not. There's like this tiny little
Lord
area.
Fat
The one where they told
Squirrel.
you to be quiet in last
That's your name.
dead loud, isn't it?
Where should we go? Oh yeah, was that last time?
Lord Mallard is right there.
You told us to be quiet.
They told
One of the people working there went and told Sam to be quiet in the play area because he was screaming
Oh,
so
in the
much.
pancake house, remember that?
I
Yeah.
told Sam to be quiet. I thought that was the time before last.
I think it was last time.
I think it was the time before.
It was.
No, it wasn't. It was last time.
I don't know.
That's what I said, it was last time.
I don't think I was there the time that happened. Oh, well then maybe it was the time before then.
Luke, oh my god! Sam, be careful. Is Spencer okay? Is Spencer okay? Sam was literally flying up.
Tiring, you know.
Get to lose his ponytail. Wow.
This is so fun.
It looks so fun.
I'm having so much fun.
Hold on.
So sarcastic. Whee! So high! Whoa! So high! Ah!
Sam, hold on. Oh my god.
It's hot again! I'm having so much fun! I'm having so much fun. I don't need to hold on to.
Really, they've got 15 big ones on it.
Go on then.
Are you recording? Yeah, okay, guys. Guess what Julia said?
What?
She said, if I go in the punch pool for 10 seconds, she'll buy me anything I want at the toy shop for up to £15.
Oh my gosh.
And that's a
How
lot
do
of
you
money.
feel about making this statement?
Really good. I'm really glad that I suggested this.
And what is the plunge pool?
The plunge pool is this deep pool that is freezing cold.
Is that true?
Yes.
Hello.
He's crying.
Oh, baby. Wait, is he crying?
Look.
Yeah, he's crying.
He's going.
Just try and ignore it, won't ignore it.
Try open it. I'm taking my bike. No, you're not. You can't drive in the village square with the bike. Come on, let's go now. That's kind of good.
No photos.
No paparazzi. Hey. Duck. of these bags. We're gonna run.
Come on, guys!
Steady, go!
We can do this. Where should we go?
This way, this way, this way.
Now. Oh my god, I can't breathe.
Ah!
Oh.